suspicious. So them boys don't see my stash. If they do tell the truth, this the last time you might see my. From the gardens where the grass ain't cut, them serpent blood. Just sell them. Selling drugs, but it's all good. Broken promises, still you're watching, tell you what time it is. Take your J's and tell you to kick it where the Falaka is. In the streets with a heater under my dungarees. Dreams of me getting shaded under a money tree.
How to bear it, or how to do it. Make it pause and tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shoe, but the one in front of it who lives forever. And I've been hustling all day, this a way, better way, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad, buy all of the things I never had.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Get track of your wish list. I probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit.
Aitäh!